Welcome to day 43. Today's word is loneliness. Loneliness is not just about the absence of people. It's the ache of feeling unseen, unheard, untouched, even in a crowd. It's the silence that follows you, and the question it leaves behind. Am I really alone? Loneliness is one of the most human experiences. It doesn't always look like being physically alone. Sometimes it's being surrounded by people, family, friends, co-workers, and still feeling like no one truly sees you. Loneliness whispers, you don't belong. It creeps in after rejection. It lingers after abandonment. It shows up in heartbreak, in transitions, in grief, and sometimes it feels endless. But loneliness isn't always about others. Sometimes it's about the distance we create within ourselves, the way we silence our own needs, the way we numb instead of feel, the way we keep ourselves so busy that we forget to listen inward. That's self-loneliness, being a stranger to your own soul. And in many ways, it can ache even more than being unseen by others. Here's what's important to remember. You may feel alone, but you are never truly abandoned. Spirit has promised, I will never leave you nor forsake you. Even in the silence, His presence lingers. Even in the emptiness, His love still fills the cracks. And when you choose to return to yourself, to sit quietly, to breathe deeply, to feel fully, you begin to realize loneliness can soften into solitude, and solitude can open into connection. You are not alone, not in your pain, not in your process, not in your becoming. Today's challenge, meet loneliness with presence. Spend 15 minutes in intentional solitude, not scrolling, not distracting, just being with yourself. Write down the lie loneliness tells you, then write the truth beside it. I am not alone, I am being held. Reach out to one person today, one person that you feel safe with, not for small talk, but for real connection. If you feel led, sit quietly in prayer and simply say, Spirit, I know you are here. Let's take this deeper with reflection. These prompts are here to help you face the ache of loneliness and discover what it's teaching you. When have I felt the deepest loneliness? And what did it whisper to me? How have I abandoned myself in ways that deepen my loneliness? What would it look like to meet loneliness with connection? To myself, to spirit, to others? Now take a deep breath in slowly. Long exhale out. And let these words sink in as truth. I may feel lonely, but I am never alone. Spirit is with me, I am with me, and that is enough. Again, I may feel lonely, but I am never alone. Spirit is with me, I am with me, and that is enough. Let's take this moment together and close in prayer. Bring one hand to your heart and gently close your eyes. Spirit, thank you for being near, even when I don't feel it. Thank you for being the presence that never leaves, even when everyone else has. Thank you for reminding me today that loneliness is not the end of my story. You see the places where I felt invisible. You see the nights where the silence was too loud. You see the tears I didn't let anyone else see. And you also see the ways I've abandoned myself, the times I numbed instead of feeling, the times I stayed disconnected from my own heart, the times I silenced my soul out of fear. Today, I ask you to meet me in my loneliness, not just with comfort, but with connection. Remind me I am held. Remind me I am loved. Remind me I am never truly alone. Spirit, turn my loneliness into a sacred solitude. Let it be the space where I hear you clearly. Let it be the place where I reconnect with myself. Let it be the soil where new relationships and new love can grow. and spirit. For the one listening today, wrap them in your nearness. Speak into their silence. Fill their emptiness with your love. Let them know that even in the loneliest place, you are still here. We are not forsaken. We are not forgotten. We are yours. Amen. Loneliness may whisper that you are alone, but it is not your truth. You are held, you are loved, and you belong. I'll meet you here tomorrow for day 44. Same time, new word. Until then, lean into presence, not absence. From my heart to yours, I am always with you.